Hi, my problem is that my products are very complicated and I need to search them efficiently and quickly. So, one example of this can be given uh, right here. So, if I select one of these products, for example, angle 12, or let's just say I go here and I have this balancing valve. Oh, sorry, butterfly valve. So I have all of these variants, and some products reach up to I don't know above 1,000 variants. So it is really a problem for me to be able to select these efficiently and quickly. As you can see, so if I go to variants and I need to select one specific variant of gate valve CAS CS. So I first can select with pressure rating, and which is if I want to see all of these 150 class, I can select them and I can search them via attribute values, and it will give me all of the variants with 150 class. Now I need to search for a particular size. So if I type, let's say 2 inches, in this it becomes OR. So it will give me all the values for 150 class and or 2 inches, which I don't want to do. What I want to do is, and this can be achieved like this. Let's say I select here with 150 and it gives me all the values for 150. Now I need to further filter it with my size. So, and this will give me these, and this is fine actually, but this can be a bit tedious. Go into filters, select again, especially in day-to-day tasks, and this can be tedious for my workers. So, what I want to be able to do is I should be able to type 2 inches here as and search for attribute value, and then space I should type 150 class and search for attribute value, and this should give me AND operator instead of OR operator. So if you can switch this OR operator with AND operator, that will be wonderful, and I'm willing to pay to see that change happen. Thank you.